All right, I think I'm ready for this tape.
Do it!
This is like riding a bike, isn't it?
Something like
Haven't
that.
we done this before?
I don't think we've done this before.
I don't know if we pulled him out of the hat like this, but it's fun.
Here we go.
Okay.
Someone told me long ago, here's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it's a raining sunny day. I know, shining down like water. Yesterdays and days before, sun is hot, rain is cold. I know, been this way a long, long time. To forever, so it goes, through the circle, fast and slow. I know I can stop and wonder.
This is where you take a solo. Coming down for the day.
Yeah!
Thank you. You can tell Dee and I haven't worked for a while because he didn't transpose the keys, but that's okay.